How to activate card on Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from Help Deck, and in today's video I'll simply show you how you can activate your card on Cash App. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you'd like to go ahead and activate your card on Cash App, first of all, in order to activate it, you have to make sure you have requested and received your Cash App card. In order to request and receive your Cash App card, first of all, open the Cash App, tap on the card icon from the bottom, choose the option called virtual card and choose the option called order. Once you do that, pick a color that you want to order for your card, and after you have done that, you can just select the customization for this. And after that, you'll see all of the details about the card. You want to make sure to enter your billing details and everything else in order to receive your card. And once you've received your card, we are going to activate it. Now again, you have to open the Cash App, and again similarly you have to go to the cash icon which is at the bottom, and once you tap on your cash, you'll see this kind of option that says activate cash card. All you have to do is choose the option called activate cash card over here, and once you tap on it, you'll be able to successfully activate your Cash App card. That's all it takes to activate your Cash App card. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.